first thing you want to do with your Loon paddleboard is you want to take everything out of the bag, and then you want to unroll your Loon paddleboard onto the ground like this. Next, you want to take your pump and your pump tube, and you're going to take this screw end and you're going to put it into the end of the pump where the finger grips are facing outward and where you can read the pressure gauge correctly. And then once you find that end, you simply take the tube and screw it in, like so. Then you're going to unscrew the valve here, and you're going to take your pointer finger and push down on the valve and twist it until it springs up. Then you're going to take the lock end of the pump and you're going to put it in the valve until it clicks, or until it stays, like that. Then, while standing on the manual pump, you're going to pump the tube until it reaches 20 psi or is firm to the touch. After you've inflated your paddleboard to 20 psi or it's firm to the touch, you can then remove your tube from the valve. If you made sure to make sure the spring was up and locked, then no air should come out. Then you can simply put the valve cap back on the valve. Once your board's inflated, you can then flip it over so that we can attach the fin to the back of the board. Next, you're going to take your fin and unscrew the fin nut and the screw from the fin like this. You're then going to take the square fin nut and you're going to place it down so that it lies on this tray right in the square opening right here. You're then going to take your finger, or you can take the screw, to slide it all the way down to the back. Next, you're going to take the fin, and where these two gold pins are, you're going to insert that in the back like this. You're then going to push down and try to slide it back so that it clicks in like this. But now once it's back, you want to push it forward so that this hole aligns with the nut hole. And then you're going to take your screw and you're going to try to align the fin with the nut, and then simply screw in your fin like this, and then you're done. After you've attached your fin, your board is now complete and ready to go out into the water. Your rental will also include a repair kit and a waterproof bag. You're going to attach your waterproof bag to the board, and you can use the repair kit if needed. After you are done with the board, to deflate it, you can open back up the valve, and you can take your pointer finger, push down on the valve, and then turn it so that the valve stem is down. And then your board will be able to deflate and